Taking a live look near the Eisenhower Johnson tunnels over Loveland ski area this morning. Visibility remains low. Snow continues to fall right there up in the high country, and we are still seeing some strong winds whipping around that area. Our man of the mountains, Matt Renew, joining us right near the tunnels this morning. Matt, we've seen that wind kind of blowing you around a little bit. We've seen the snow still coming down on you right now. What have you seen in the past hour that either has remained the same or is a little bit different?
I've seen very little, Jordan, because the snow continues to blow and visibility is so reduced up here along the Continental Divide. The good news is maybe it's starting to let up just a little bit, but it has been a very difficult drive in the mountains this morning because of that combination of snow and strong winds blowing. Talking to the folks here that work up at the tunnels with CDOT Department of Transportation, saying they got about 14 inches of snow overnight from this storm here at the tunnels, and then that snow combines and really reduces visibility. Traffic moving along. What you're looking at here is westbound I-70 traffic. The furthest out there, they're actually behind some tandem CDOT plow trucks. That's why it's moving so slow, but that's kind of the speed you'd want to drive right now if you're along I-70, because it is snow-packed, icy and slick, and you're going to run into that right around Georgetown, and then you're going to be into these conditions throughout Summit and Eagle counties. It's a lot of snow, and then that wind at times when it comes up really reduces your visibility, and it just hits in a second and you can't see anything for 15 or 20 seconds while those gusts are blowing the snow. So difficult and challenging driving conditions. Ski area is doing pretty well, getting around 9 inches of snow out of this. And so it's going to be a pretty good day if you can see where you're going on the hills because of those winds. Reporting from the Eisenhower Johnson tunnels, I'm Matt Renew, 9 News. Chris, you've been tracking this storm and the winds. I will say, while the snow is still coming down pretty consistently, we haven't had any gusts in about 7 minutes, and I think that's a record for us this morning.